Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into Denver Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Denver Workday and then click enter. Now find this link, which is of myworkdayjobs.com, and click on it. After that, you will be redirected to Denver Workday homepage. At the top right corner, you will find sign in option. Click on it. Now type in your email address and password and then click on sign in button to log into your Denver Workday account. You can also click on this link to create a new Denver Workday account, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset your password. Thank you for watching this video.